Right, bacteria can be classified in a number of ways, and the simplest way to classify them is according to their shape or morphology. The bacteria shown here are sphere bacteria, coccus. They're round and they can be classified according to the groups. So the first group we've got here are on their own, they're single, and we refer to them as cocci. Second group are in pairs and we refer to these as diplococci. The third group are in a cluster and these are referred to as staphylococci. And the fourth are a chain and we refer to these as streptococci. Now the other groups of bacteria are rod, spiral or curved. So we'll look at the rod ones first. They're referred to as bacillus. The spiral ones are referred to as spirillum, and the last curved shaped ones are referred to as vibrio. Now looking at the diagram here, can you identify the specific bacteria? So A would be diplococci, and that's because they're formed in a pair. B would be cocci, they're single on their own. C are spirals, so they would be referred to as spirillum, and D would be bacillus.